Dearest heart, clearing or completing so you can at tune with your life purpose. To begin investing in this path has required becoming fully independent from external energies. You are now and rising into love of self, healed and becoming whole. It is easier to get grounded and centered into the body in this oneness field. Now you are strong, prepared, and ready for these changes and upgrades to align your life with visions. These upgrades are revealing the light of God you carry. You have begun a new family lineage of love, unity, abundance, support, and pleasure. This will be passed on to your children and future generations. Moving forward, these upgrades will continue until complete in yourself and your family lineage. Type yes if you agree.